What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this LMRC LM01 remote control quadcopter, a drone with the full HD 1080p camera, suitable for age 14 plus and come with all fantastic features starting with the holding position, altitude hold, gesture recognition, video and photo recording, double camera, flip in the air, G sensor, auto follow mode, MV production mode, fixed set point flight and a palm control. Now just before going ahead with the unboxing and showing you each and everything about this drone, I'd like to show you the recorded footage of the drone when I had a test flight. So from the beginning you will have an idea that is that something you are looking for. So let's have a look into the demonstration of test flight. As soon you take out the drone out of the box, you will going to see these flashing lights on it. This means it needs a calibration and it's a process which you have to do every time. Also, once drone is powered up, you can get it connected with it using your mobile phone like the way I have done it. And the app is well explanatory as well if you're quite familiar with this kind of a system. All the buttons on the remote control are also user friendly as well. Let's go ahead with the flight, I suppose. First thing I'm going to do is do the take off, which is by pressing one button here. Straight away up in air. You can also get the status of battery power, GPS signal, everything about the drone within the app, as well as the live feed. We're doing a really good flight here. It's quite windy, but it seems to be working fine. Now let's check out the home return feature of it. Now, if the drone is a bit far, let's check out the home return feature of it. Oh, that's quite jumpy, I think. Landing down now. Well, not bad at all actually. It actually works. Now you can cancel it off. Now let's take off again. And press the hold altitude button. I just activated the hold altitude button. Now let's check out the landing feature. Now. Well, not bad at all actually. It's just landing down. Well, now if you look into the app, you're going to see a lot of detail in here, starting with all the features like a follow-up mode, a pointing mode, and also the status of your satellites be available too in down there. And you can record the footage or take a shot as well with this all. Now on the remote control you also have the speed control button, which is on this side, and the capture on and off button, which is for taking shot or making a video as well. Well, let's go ahead with the second flight now. Take off. Recording is also there as well. Now we are out and about. We're going to try more. Some of the features like follow-up mode and stuff like that, let me try them. I'm going to try the first follow-up mode, which is there. Okay. Now let me try that one. That one actually works. This mode is pretty good actually. So it's kind of a drone. I am in a view of it. It's trying to follow me up. It's quite windy as well. Well, it's not bad. No. Oh, that's. It's basically where I'm going. Drone is actually following me, as you can just notice that, you know, even though the camera is not in any direction I am. That's not bad actually. Feature actually does the job. All right, let's cancel that one out. Now I'm gonna just I'm just gonna fly about, you know. Now let's try the home return again. Now drone is up there. Let's try the home return actually. The flight time, I think so we are enough. Whoa! That'll be a little bit too fast. Now let me check out some other feature of this drone, like showing two fingers to it, you know, the victory ones, to see what it does actually. I don't know what it did actually, I don't know. Is it taking a picture? Is it done anything? I have no clue whatsoever. Okay, let me cancel that one. Let's try the. It is actually quite windy, and it seems to be maintaining its altitude very nicely. Crosswind, no, it's not bad actually. I like it. Obviously the video quality will be very bad, but that's not the point. I hope you can see the drone, being honest with you. I can only see with the naked eye, but not with the camera. You can see that. Now I'm going to try how high it can go actually. That's not bad actually, guys. Well, you have seen this quadcopter flying. Now, if you're still interested in purchasing it, link is available in the video description, and would like to know more about it, let's go through the unboxing and see what comes with this quadcopter. To start with, we have instruction manual, and I would highly recommend you to go through that. The package contains 4 guards for your impellers, one 2000 mAh battery which will give you flight time of 16 minutes, one very professional looking quadcopter remote control with 2 navigational joysticks, very well explanatory buttons starting with the home, return, takeoff and landing, power on and off button, calibration of your compass, and much more available on it. You can install your mobile phone right in here for the live feed of a camera. Remote control also need 2 AAA batteries which are not included in the package. Package also include couple of extra impellers, 1 USB battery charger, couple of screws to fix guard around the impellers, 1 screwdriver. Now in last but not least, we have LM01 Quad-copter, where in the front we have a 1 full HD 1080p camera, where in the base of quadcopter you have on and off button for power and the battery compartment. On the quadcopter you also have two blue and two red LED lights which really give it an alien type of look. Now on every impeller as well as the motor arm you have a designated code for it, so you have to make sure you should use the right impellers when you are changing with the spare one. In case of mixture you might have a problem with the balance of it. Now overall from the build and looks point of view, it looks fantastic, not bad at all. Now here I am on the conclusion part, that what I think about this LMRC drone. To be honest with you guys, I have been using it from last 1 week, and altogether I had about 4 flights with it, and 4 of them with the full of fun. Out of this 4, I just shown you all the videos which I have recorded, and to be honest with you, as a beginner I would highly recommend to have this drone, as myself as a beginner too. So that will be all guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I have answered any question you have in this video, but if I have not answered anyone, please write them in the comment section down below as well. On that note guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into it.